Alright guys, make sure this is recording. Yeah, it looks good. Hopefully you're not looking up my nose. There we go. So we're gonna take our Dt02 out today. Two-wheel drive Tamiya Desert Gator. And it's a 3S. Running with REIT. Now I already ran it once, just screwing around. The video didn't come out, so time to make it again. So now we're using the Dumbo standard, no gyro. Using a 3S. It's way too much power, but it's still fun. Hopefully I'm getting it this time. Whoa! Everybody's having a good Sunday. Just got done eating some dinner. It's a little after dinner rip. Bounty! Try not to do that. I landed on the gas. Ooh. Now this ESC, I gotta say, it's a cheapie. $15 special. We got 80 amp from online. See, it's the FYZ 8088 ready to runner. They got a few other companies that make a version of it, like the Hobby Wing kind of deal. Hopefully this is all coming in. And we're running with vintage 80s. Man, these tires grip pretty good. That reminds me, these tires are from Test Driver. You can go on his page and you'll see he's got them for sale there. Two-wheel drive is way different than four-wheel. Four-wheel, you can kind of push through stuff. You got to have a lot more finesse with two-wheel drive. Personally, I think if you can wheel a two-wheeler, four-wheel's easy. Because two-wheel, you see how you pop up, you got no steering. You can't power through it. There's no weight in the front, no diff. There's no, you can't pull through. You can't turn as tight unless you're off the gas. So personally, I think you gotta learn how to drive better. Anyways, I'm just doing a Sunday fun day thing. Enjoying the day. A little bit off, guys. So yeah, this is that Tamiya RZ we got for the CW01's creation. The last time this was run, and it's still in great shape. The only thing I did was I grabbed the URGENEX XT60 2400mah 3S battery. It's the 3S version of the ones that I run in most of the other cars, 2S. But it's pretty sweet. Hopefully you enjoy. Just a quick rip. And I'll see you when I see you. Hopefully you guys dig. Hey chickens! Just a quick one. Like and subscribe and all that. And enjoy the day. I say it all the time. Enjoy the day. I'll see ya. Peace.